टॅक्सीवाले दादागिरी करून गोयचे नाव बदनाम करतात. पर्यटकांक हॉटेला कडेन व्हरपाक आयिल्ल्या गोवा मायल्साच्या ड्रायव्हरांक कांय टॅक्सीकारांनी धांवडावन घातिल्ले. हाका लागून पर्यटकांक 2-2 किलोमीटर चलून वचचे पडिल्ले. ह्या घडणुकाचो व्हिडिओ पर्यटकांनी सोशल मिडियाचेर अपलोड केल्यात. ह्या फाटभुंयेर विचारिल्ल्या प्रश्नाक येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन जाप दिल्या.
Obviously, when you have all sorts of reports coming in the social media, what are they doing? They are expressing their unhappiness. Even they have said things like, "We will never come to Goa again if this type of things are happening." Have they not said it? It is your media only which is covering that up, and everywhere it is being covered up. So when a person, after leaving the hotel, since the Goa Miles taxi is not allowed up till the hotel, they have to trek 1 kilometer, 1.5 kilometer with all their bag and baggage. So this is a very ugly situation. This does not augur well for an international destination which Goa is. Okay. And I think we have reached a point of no return. So we will have to take some strong action, which you will see things happening.
Any specific plans in mind? Any specific plans in mind to resolve this issue, because this is going across the world. You know, the wrong message is going.
The tourism minister, me as transport minister, and honorable chief minister have been discussing it. We will come out with a solution. I don't want to make it public even before that is.
No, but the tourism minister has said ki on this issue only tourism minister has said dadagiri chalchi na.
I am in sync with him. That is what I can say.